Check out this 2006 Cadillac STS. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission, navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Call today to schedule a test drive.